Ninja review here. Got several different components that all come with this kitchen system. This right here is our smoothie maker. You can do a variety of other stuff with it. This system right here, it also attaches right on here. Super easy, just clicks, unclicks. This is for processing food. So you can do that. And then there's a small jar. If you wanted to do a single serving, then you would just do this. Put all your stuff right in there, and then it attaches perfectly. We're just going to do some ice crushing today just to demonstrate how easy this is. Put some ice in there. Oop, messing up the kitchen. Put some water. That's simple to release. Pull them up, and then crushing that out.